know what to end, obviously. And today, I will be doing a giveaway. Well, I'm going to be making a new account, making it really good, and then I'll be giving it away to one of my fans. So I will be telling you I'll be telling you the password at the end of this video. And if you've got this account, comment I've got the account if you've got the account, okay? So I'm saying good luck to everyone, and I do this every year or either every month. But I make a video every day, maybe like at least 5 times a day, because like I just love YouTube, and you think I'm gonna go too crazy with this, aren't you? Anyways, let's go make the account. Sometimes my voice might go in fast, I don't know. Depends how I edit. Right, I'll be back when I've done it. I did an ordinary look. I really don't care how I did it, because I'm going to make it a lot better for you guys. And I'm not going to give it VIP or anything. And I'm going to let you into your own email in it. So I'm going to leave that blank at the moment. Okay, what username should I choose? I don't know what to call it. Love you. Yes. Okay, if you don't want, this is a really easy to username, so. Wait, no, I'm going to change the password. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Let me get past this bit. That's a nice color. I really think that's nice. Yeah, I like that. I think I'm gonna choose that one. The middle one is just... Okay, let's have a look. I'm just gonna drop it on. I think that might just do. guys, I'll be back. I'm just gonna go check out my friend's video.
Sometimes to think about all the ways that make you smile. I know I am what you need, boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, we're gonna fall in love. You get me feeling, wouldn't it be awesome? If you just kiss me slowly and let me in your arms.
Okay, guys, I will be back when the account is really good. Finally got it to level 6, and I got it some good money, and I've got some good clothes on it. I'll show you the clothes, but you have to do the rest yourself, guys, because I don't want to take too much, because it took me for ages, and I've wasted 2 greets. So this is how much diamonds I have left, so I'm going to save it on diamonds. 60 diamonds, and I've got a lot of money though. But yeah, you have to try and make it good yourself, guys, and I'm giving you a good look. Look at the status. This is what I'm giving my account away on YouTube. Good luck, people. This is what I want you to do. So here's all the clothes on it. I tried so hard. It took me like 10 minutes to finally do it. Anyways, this is the final results. Giving out the password. Okay, I've never given out a password before, and just to warn you, this is not the password for my main or my sister's account. So don't be trying to log on, because it'll never work. The password is I love dogs 232. I'll say it again. I love dogs 232. Okay? I'll write it down on this note just in case you didn't get me. If you didn't get me and my voice were too fast, then I'm just going to write it down, okay? I'm going to give you a couple of seconds, and I want you to like this video, subscribe, and comment done when you guys are done in 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Okay. I love... No, it's not in capital letters. It's not in I love dogs 232. That is the password. I will zoom into it. That's the password. Give this a like and subscribe. And if you won this, comment I got it. But goodbye and good luck, people.